So hi guys, I know I already posted a video about that last year, but it is in German, and because I have to make some fire starters anyway, I decided to make a new and better one for you. So let's go and enjoy. So first of all we need two clamps, a form which I built out of some rest pieces of a screen printing plate. The lid I modified with some old planer blades so I can break the final product in bars. A pot with some candle scraps, a heating source, and of course a planer shavings or sawdust also works fine. So here you have to make sure to mix it very good so every planer shaving will get in contact with some wax. Okay, here let it cool off for about 15 minutes and then I can open the form and get the Firestarter plate out with the help of a scraper. And voila, here it is. And then you can clean the inside of the form. And of course you don't throw away the stuff you scrape off, just use it for the next round. Okay, and here you can see the benefits of the modified lid. Now you can break every plate into 9 bars, and with every bar you can start up to 10 fires. Yeah, and this year I decided to make some nice little sustainable presents out of those bars, and here's how they look like. So thanks for watching. If you want to support that channel, feel free to like or comment or even subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And have a nice day, have a nice Christmas holiday, and stay safe. See you on another project. Bye.